Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate iCloud account. Firstly, connect to a Wi-Fi network or cellular data. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap Sign in to your iPhone and enter your Apple ID and password. Follow any on-screen verification steps like entering a verification code sent to another Apple device. Once signed in, you can activate Apple services like iCloud. Go to Settings, your name, and iCloud, then toggle the service on. iTunes and App Store. Navigate to Settings, your name, media purchases to enable downloads, and Find My iPhone. Ensure that Find My iPhone is enabled to protect your device. If your account requires verification, check your email for a confirmation link, and if prompt for a two-factor authentication, enter the 6-digit code sent to a trusted device. If you need a new Apple ID, go to appleid.apple.com, create one, and confirm your email. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.